Hey guys, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're going to be talking about this 2022 Chevy Blazer 2LT all-wheel drive. This Blazer is loaded with features and of course has plenty of things that you wouldn't know. So let's go ahead and check it out. First feature is walking up to the vehicle, you actually have keyless entry. So you can go ahead and enter and exit the vehicle nice and simple. Hey guys, now that we're inside of this Blazer, let's go ahead and start it up. Your engine start stop location is right here. Go ahead and press it in. Starts right up. Let's go ahead and first check out the mileage. You can go ahead and see that this Blazer has 28,000 miles. Go ahead and see your dash and everything like that. But let's go ahead and check out your center screen and everything to it. First up, of course, you have your climate controls, as well as down here. You actually can go ahead and adjust the vents this way, and it goes ahead and adjusts your digital temperature. You got that dual temperature for both the driver and passenger to have that different little bit of setup. Got your AC, of course, mode, everything like that. As well as, of course, heated seats for both the driver and passenger. Here's your home menu, which you have your music, phone connection, and of course your apps down below. Go ahead and go over. You have your audio, which AM and FM radio, as well as, of course, Bluetooth audio with connecting a phone. You can go ahead and access Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as, of course, you can go ahead and use all of those. Hopping over to audio, you got your volume here. You got Sirius XM. Pretty easy to go ahead and access and use. Go ahead and use all of that. You also have your climate controls up here, so you can go ahead and adjust that temperature. You also have your OnStar services, Wi-Fi, and settings, so anything that you would need to know about the vehicle, of course, or apps, go ahead and access it right there. And one last thing up here is your backup camera. Putting the Blazer in reverse, you got a nice backup camera, as well as you can go ahead and turn off the lines, as well as you can have a little bit of a hitch view there. Nice and simple to go ahead and use. Of course, like I mentioned, you got your engine start stop button located right here. Checking out the key fob, you got lock and unlock, remote start, as well as trunk release. Got that automatic trunk lift gate, so you can go ahead and use that, as well as you can go ahead and just overall use it for keyless entry in a nice simple way. Checking out here though, you have your idle on and off auto stop, your hazard lights, as well as your glove box opener. Go ahead and easily open that up, as well as the traction control off. Go ahead and use all of that. You got your USB and USB charging ports, as well as some storage. Got your center console area, gear shift, cup holders, and drive mode. So you can go ahead and have that all-wheel drive, sports mode for that auto manual mode. Right here is where you'd go ahead and use that, as well as, of course, your lane keep and parking sensors. So you can go ahead and stay safe while driving. Checking out the center console, you got a charging port in here, as well as plenty of storage. Let's go ahead and check out your steering wheel. Behind the wheel on this side, you got your volume, so you can go ahead and adjust that. Behind the steering wheel on this side, you got your station control, so you can go ahead and adjust that. On this side, you got your instrumental panel settings, so you can go ahead and adjust things like your trip, as well as, of course, your fuel information, oil life, options within that. Of course, you got your hands-free calling and voice commands with connecting a phone. This way, you got your pre-collision alerts. You can go ahead and use that, as well as your cruise control settings. Super simple, super easy to use. Over here, you got your interior and exterior lighting settings. Go ahead and adjust it. Lock it into place. Got that auto or regular lights, and as well as your parking brake. Checking out the door panel here, you got your window controls, as well as lock and unlock. And down below here, you have your tailgate. So you can go ahead and adjust for it so it can be able to turn off. So you have that manual up and down, 3/4 all the way up, and max of all it can do. But let's go ahead and hop outside and take a look at the interior. Taking a look at the interior here, you got gray cloth material. You got that automatic seat, so you know how to move it with ease. And like I mentioned, both of these seats are heated. Let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Checking out the back seats here, you got your adjustable vents, some charging ports, nice and handy, and even some storage underneath there. Got some pockets in the back of the driver and passenger, and of course a middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. Go ahead and fold down the second row seats for some more storage, but you actually can do that from the back. So let's go ahead and check that out. Checking out the back here, and like I mentioned, you go ahead and put down the second row seats from the back here. So nice and simple levers. Go ahead, pull that down, left and right side. Nice and simple flat storage. And then underneath this divider here, you have a spare tire and some tools in case of any emergency. You'll be ready out there on the road. Of course, you got a charging port located here on the right hand side, and overall a great amount of space. And then when you want to go ahead and close it, you got that automatic lift gate, one press of a button. Super simple, super easy. But with that, I think is all I have for the Chevy Blazer. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. We're located here in Ephrata, PA, and we'd love to talk about it. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.